Surya Namaskar. Let us start with a new session. That's Surya Namaskar. The pray pose. Stand at the end of the mat. Keep your feet together and distribute your weight on both the feet equally. Open your chest and just relax your shoulders. Breathe in and lift both your arms up from the side. Exhale, that is breathe out, and bring your palms together in a pray posture in front of your chest. As you can see in the image, please follow. Second step, raise your arm pose. Breathe in, lift your arms up and back. Make sure that your biceps are close to your ears. Make effort to stretch your whole body straight from the heels upward to your fingertips. See this pose and you can follow. Hand to foot pose. That's the third pose. Breathe out and bend forward from your waist. While keeping your spine straight, exhale, that is breathe out, and completely bring your hands downward to the floor beside your feet. Fourth pose, breathe in and push your right leg as far as back as possible. Bring your right knee to the floor and slowly look upward. See the image and follow comfortably. Mountain pose. In this pose, you breathe out, lift your hips as well as your tailbone upward. Put your chest downward to create an inverted V pose. See the image. You have to lift your or put your weight on both your arms and keep your body straight in a pose of V. Stick pose. Breathe in. After taking your left leg back, bring your whole body in a straight line, flat to the ground, as you can see in this. After this pose, you come into the Bhujangasana pose. That is one of the asanas. I'll just show you the image shortly. Cobra pose. Bhujangasana. Slide forward. Raise your chest up into the Cobra pose. Keep your elbows bent and fixed in this pose. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Slowly look upward towards the sky. You can see this a little bit more. You have to stretch everything and keep your hands in a straight form. Backwards. Mountain pose. Breathe out. Lift your hips as well as your tailbone upward. Put your chest downwards to create an inverted V pose. Now you can see we had done it earlier also, and now we are again doing this. This is going towards the reverse order. Then again, breathe in, bring your right foot forward in between the two hands. Bring your left knee downward to the ground. Press your hips downward, then look up. Like I said, it goes backwards in backward order. So please follow these footsteps. Hands to foot pose. Breathe out and bring your left foot forward again. First you have brought your right leg, now you brought your left foot. Keep your palms on the ground. You can bend your knees if your feet are some discomfort. If there is some discomfort, you can bend your knees a little bit. Then raise arm pose. What we have done in the second pose. Again in the 11th pose. Breathe in. Roll your spine upward. Make your hands go up. Bend backward a little bit. Push your hips slightly outward. See, while bending backwards, you just pull your feet forward a little bit. Finally, coming into the last pose, that is again standing at the end of the mat, keeping your feet together, distributing your weight on both equal feet. Open your chest and just relax your shoulders. Breathe in and be very comfortable in that pose and then relax.